Hello, my name is Aileen Rihana Haminudin. I am now in 6th grade, Tanjung Barat Adventist Academy. I have been here for almost 6 years, since 2014, started from grade 1. I have some friends come and go, but there are also many of them were here since they were in kindergarten. I also have 2 brothers here, Jonathan in grade 4 and Jevan in grade 2. I love being in this school. The teachers are so friendly and helpful. They are always willing to help us whenever we have questions. It's too bad that I can't meet my friends and teachers for these 8 months due to the pandemic. But I still enjoy talking to them every day through online learning or WhatsApp chat. In TBAA, besides the regular lessons, there are so many extracurriculars and clubs. We have English club, math club, music classes, and even cooking class. These extracurricular activities help us, the student, to explore our interests and develop our talents. I myself joining the math club and guitar class. I always look forward to attend the club every Tuesday and Thursday. They also teach us about attitude and manners. We have our daily routine that needs to be checked by our parents every day. This daily routine keeps us away from gadgets, TV, and things that waste our times. Instead, it keeps us productive and positive by reading the Bible, helping our parents with chores, and even to sleep on time. But the most important thing, that TBAA helps us to be closer to God, to put God first in our life by follow the Bible every day, group prayers, week of prayer, and daily SCST prayers. I really miss my friends and the teachers. I hope this pandemic will go very soon and I can go to school and eat our lunches together, talk and play, and of course study.